myself Vishal Singh Chauhan, and today I am going to solve the third question of our first internal test of set C, which is give the stepwise output of Gauss elimination algorithm for the given matrix. So our given augmented matrix is this. In Gauss elimination algorithm, we select n pivot elements and make the below elements of pivot 0. In first case, we select 10 as an pivot element, and these operations are applied to make -6, 3 and 5 0. Our first operation is change R2 such that R2 minus R1 multiplied by -6 by 10, and R3 tends to R3 minus R1 multiplied by 3 by 10, and R4 tends to R4 minus R1, which is multiplied by 5 by 10. This following operations give us the result in the form of this matrix, and in this matrix we select 3.8 as an pivot element, and the elements below the pivot we have to make 0. So from here we have to perform this following operation, which is R3 tends to R3 minus R2 multiplied by 3.1 divided by 3.8, and R4 tends to R4 minus R2 multiplied by minus 5.5 divided by 3.8. After applying these operations, we get the following. We get this matrix, which is the elements below 10 is 0 and the elements below 3.5 is also 0. In this case, we have this 2.44 as a pivot element, and we have to make the below element, which is 2.340. For making 2.340, we have to perform R4 such that R4 minus R3 multiplied by minus 2.34 divided by 2.44. After applying this operation, we get this matrix, and from this matrix we can construct the following equations, which is 10x minus 1, which is from this row, which is 10x1 minus 7x2 plus 3x3 plus 5 is equals to 0. This is our first equation, and from this row, which is second row, we can get 3.8x2 minus 0.8x3 minus x4 is equals to 8.6. This is our second equation, and from row third, we can get the equation 2.44x3 plus 10.31x4 is equals to minus 6.81, which is our equation number third. And from R4, which is our row fourth, we can get 9.93 x4 is equals to 9.93. From equation fourth, we can clearly see that the value of x4 is 1, and by back substitution technique, we put the value of x4 in the equation number third, and from equation number third we can get the value of x3, which is minus 7, and substituting the value of x4 and x3 in the equation number 2, we can get the value of x2, which is equals to 4, and from back substituting the value of x4, x3 and x2 in the equation number first, we get the value of x1, which is equals to 5. This is our answer for the Gauss elimination algorithm for the given matrix.